The African continent.
What is the certification? The certification is considered as one of the world's most alarming global environmental problems. French author André Auberville defined the certification as the changing of productive land into a desert as a result of ruination of land by man-induced soil erosion. Effects of the certification. It affects not only ecosystems land, but the air too. This phenomenon increases the amount of carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere because of the land of plants. Two-thirds of the continent is desert or drylands. 74% of its agricultural drylands are already seriously degraded. The land area prone to drought has almost doubled during the last 2 decades. Government's role. The government's role is to deal with this issue by promoting the correct treatment of land during farming in order to prevent soil degradation because of the overusing of land.
Health issues. Ebola. It was discovered in 1976. The outbreak was reported in March 2014. About 11,300 have been killed only in West Africa between 2014 and 2016. The estimated deaths, according to WHO, World Health Organization, on January 13, 2016, were 4,809 in Liberia, 3,955 in Sierra Leone, and 2,536 in Guinea. 28,367 is the number of reported cases. Where this virus has been mostly concentrated in Guinea, Liberia, and Sierra Leone, but recently there have been more cases in Mali, Senegal, and Nigeria. Even there have been cases in the United States. Characteristics.
Political issues in Africa. Poor governance can be defined as a lack of well implementation and establishment of policies and rules. In Africa, this has led to poor economic growth and it is manifested through corruption, political instability, ineffective rule of laws and institutions. Africa is rich in resources and opportunities in so many fields. However, the continent still lacks advance, often because there is not enough political will to manage resources better and create necessary incentives. An important example can be Africa's energy crisis. Two-thirds of Africans still do not have access to modern electricity. The more politically unstable that Africa becomes, the more the people will suffer at the hands of opportunistic militant actors like Boko Haram and Al Shabaab. It will manifest itself in world markets, and the less able of the other continents will be able to accomplish their humanitarian and developmental aims. Regardless of its relative low participation in world exchange of goods and products, the African continent can potentially have a great future financially and politically.